Di ba naka-record na?
Bebe, ang asar mo. Yoko na nga. It's a prank. My love, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue. It's hard living though the way I never wanted to. Sorry lang ang lyrics. Self-denial. It's okay with strengths I never would want. And to ask you. Somehow the love was with him. Imagine. Bahala na dyan. It's when I understand when I'm feeling so bad now. Then I know it was my idea. I couldn't deny it all the time. When I am only one standing stronger. Oh, the same ground. Galing ko talaga. Gusto ka bang sabihin?
Wala akong
Ba't di
sabihin.
mapakali? Di makatingin. Sana'y huwag mo na itong palipasin. At subukang lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na ibang narapat sa akin. At sino na tunay ko mamahalin. Wag na wag mong sasabihin na di ko nadama itong pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit pa kalayaan mo. At sa gabi, sinong duduyan sa'yo? At sa umaga, sinong hahaplas sa'yo? Wag na wag mong sasabihin.
Ayoko talagang sabihin.
Hindi mo nadama ito. Pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit pa kalayaan mo. Huwag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama itong pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit pa kalayaan mo. Magbayad ka muna. Wala na, baliwan na.
Baliwan vlog ba?
Walang magawa. Next tayo. Next. Having you near me. Dito tayo sa Dance with My Father. Itong kantang ito ay iaalay ko sa tatay ko. miss na kita pang. Back when I was a child,
When I was a
before
child.
life removed all the innocence, my father was left me high. And then
Bata
with
pa
my
ako,
mother and me, and then
magluluto na daw ako.
Then at the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance
Wala ba
with
kayong
him,
mga kamay dyan?
I play a song that will never
Palakpak
ever
naman kayo
end.
dyan.
Now I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again.
Shout out naman dyan sa mga solid subscriber namin dyan. Hello, hello. Happy New
I and
Year.
my mother Buddhist. Sana? Paimot na ako. Na-stop. Ano ba naman yung signal na yan? Hey. Hello? Hello, kang karaoke to.
Ano yan?
Stop. Stop.
Ba't naglo-loading yung internet?
Hindi ko alam. Yung pa-emote na ako, ayaw lang ako maglag ang luha ko. Nag-stop. Siguro sa Nakatulog pa yung kapitbahay natin, be?
Ulit. Stop muna dito. Babay ka muna dito.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!